Every year, politicians run for different positions, promising to serve the people and make positive changes in our communities. But being a politician is not only about winning elections or holding power. It is about having the right values, making responsible decisions, and putting the needs of the people first.
In this modern society, what makes a good politician?
What?
A position of power does not automatically make someone a good leader. Serve people honestly, fairly, and responsibly.
What are those?
First is integrity. Politicians should do what is right even if no one is watching. They should avoid corruption and don't use their position as a personal gain.
Second, honesty. Leaders should tell the truth and be transparent about their decision. Honesty creates trust, and trust is important between leaders and people.
Third is responsibility. Politicians should understand that leadership is not just a mere privilege, but also a duty. And they should fulfill their responsibilities, keep their promises, and take accountability of their actions.
Fourth, justice and fairness. A good politician should treat everyone equally, regardless of their social status, wealth, or background. Government decisions should benefit the people, not only a small group. Fifth is compassion. Politicians should listen to the concern of ordinary citizens and their struggles. They should care about improving people's lives, especially those who need the most.
Lastly, politicians should have humility. They should remember that they are a public servants. Being a leader doesn't mean being above others. It means having responsibility to serve others.
In the end, good leadership begins with good character. Politicians may have authority, but their virtues determines how they use that authority. With integrity, honesty, responsibility, fairness, compassion, and humility, they can become leaders who truly serve the people.
Pinapaikot na mga lumot yung mga utak, kinukurakot at di ka natakot, ay kaisa sa gobyerno ang suot bansa atin ko.